The Dell Storage NX Windows NAS series offers affordable storage solutions for your business. Many small and medium businesses struggle when it comes to storing and sharing file data, such as Word documents, spreadsheets, presentation files, or any file-oriented application data. The Dell Storage NX Windows NAS series is pre-configured to harness the power of the Windows Storage Server 2012 R2 operating system, bringing to bear many enterprise-level features to address core storage challenges. The NX3230 model is ideal for branch offices in need of additional capacity or as a target backup appliance for disaster recovery, able to store up to 48 terabytes of data. If you need a NAS gateway, the NX3330 is our cluster-ready model that leverages back-end block storage and can scale into the petabyte range. Finally, our NX430 is a great entry-level NAS solution. This turnkey NAS appliance comes with Windows Storage Server 2012 R2, standard or workgroup, pre-installed, and delivers up to 32 terabytes of storage when populated with 4 8-terabyte nearline SAS drives. All models take advantage of the latest 12-gigabit SAS controllers that double the I/O bandwidth and cache of the previous NX products. The NX series, combined with Windows Storage Server 2012 R2, enables you to efficiently manage your data by seamlessly integrating with servers and primary storage. Contact Dell to create your own powerful, affordable file storage solution.